We choose moss. That should be your first part of your sentence. We choose moss. This is on page 14.
If we just try to take action and we don't have like a plan, that can also lead to maybe the action not really being as good as it could possibly be, right? If we could have made a plan and all worked together, do you think that this whole area could be even cleaner?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it would probably look even better, right? You already made an impact on our little classroom right here, which was amazing. But we are going to try to make an impact, an even greater impact. And we've already been talking a little bit about moss.
We think it would be better if there was more moss in the forest. Yes, what were you gonna say?
Like clear out a section and then plant moss, and then like that whole section would just be like filled with moss.
Okay, I like that idea. True impact is shared, right? And that's why we're making this impact plan together as one big group. So all we need is some yogurt. You could also do buttermilk is what I heard, but we're gonna stick with yogurt, right? Everybody likes yogurt. What we're gonna do, you're gonna see some moss like this. This one was already uprooted. We're gonna put it, we're gonna bring it up probably like an inch, so we're not gonna go deep into the dirt. We just want the moss, right? There's a lot of different types of moss, so we're gonna see which types we can get. We're gonna put it in the bucket, probably about a third of the way through, not too much, because we're only one classroom. We're gonna put about 3 or 4 scoops of yogurt on top of the moss, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water in there as well. We're gonna get a decent size stick. That's a little too big. That's also a little too big. And we're gonna mix it up, chop it up until it's nice and smooth, right? And then we're gonna spread it on maybe a dead tree, the base of another tree. If you see a huge stone, maybe we can do that. So right now, your job is to grab moss as we go, and we're gonna fill up the bucket only a third of a way. So don't go crazy, and don't do it right now, because we're gonna do it as we're walking.
We're picking up moss because we're gonna make a moss milkshake. I know it sounds gross. We're like grabbing all this moss and putting it in a bucket. Then Mr. Matt is gonna put yogurt in it, water, stir it up, and then we're gonna rub it on trees.
Moss is important because like it helps like the trees.
Moss produces a lot of air.
It gives us air,
oxygen,
and also shelter for animals.
Yeah.
Because if we don't have air, then we can't breathe.